Monday, 21st of November. Left Newtown earlier as planned and headed south. No special buildings or historical sites on the way, but the scenery was really breathtaking. We were headed to Pembroke, where we have to get the ferry to Ireland, and about halfway there we turned off to the Elan Valley and saw the first of the Elan Walls. There are 3 of them.
We're in a village called Elan, E-L-A-N. It's on the western side of Wales, only about 20 miles from the Irish Sea. The reason we're here is that there's a series of dams that are supposed to be rather spectacular. Haven't found those yet, but we'll see them shortly. But this is the village. As far as we can make out, there's a visitor centre, perhaps 2 or 3 houses. You can see all the white, that's frost, not snow. It's 9:30 in the morning. There's been no sunshine for the last hour or 2. Very pretty country. Thought we'd go into the visitor centre, and we get there and there's a sign saying it's closed until the 6th of March 2006. I'll walk now partly over the bridge and show you what it looks like. The bridges here. The one I'm standing on is the road bridge, and this is the footbridge there. Footbridge, the road bridge, and this is what it's travelling over, this river. It's running fairly fast too. I gather that's a residence up there, it's certainly not a tourist thing. Very steep hill. Still sheep on the side of the hill though. See blue sky ahead, but the sun's hadn't come up enough to get over the hill yet. That's a footbridge in front. And there's the river. So this is Elan. Next we'll go and we'll find the dams that they're talking about.
These 3 walls are water retention walls and were originally built to supply water by pipeline to Birmingham, which was developing into a large industrial city. At the base of the wall was a small village, all B&B.
Cold to get out, so I'm sitting in the car just taking a picture of some of the houses of Elan village. As far as we can see, every house is very, very old. This is the easy way of taking a movie. Still quite a lot of cars down here, so it's obviously a popular spot.
They can't get out.
They've been up starting since spring. But at the top of the wall was a large parking area surrounded by huge rock walls.
We've just stopped at the first dam wall. It's on the other side of the road. This is the car park, and this is showing you the rock face. Looks as if it's cut out, but there's a sign here that says that it's not cut out at all. It was all formed naturally 420 million years ago, which was then completely underwater. Hundreds of feet high, it doesn't say how much. I'll cross now over to the water side, the dam side. Right, this is the dam wall. Oh, it's freezing here. There's a wind blowing, you might be able to see the mist coming off the water. Around the boulder so I can get to the other side of the river. There's the frost still on the rock just in front of me on the fence. It's just magnificent. This is the same rock face that I looked at a minute ago. This time, of course, I'm on the other side of the road. Don't know what the temperature is, but the last time we looked at it in the car reading, it was -4 degrees. And it is chilly.
Hush, my dear one, sleep serenely. Now, my lovely, slumber deep.
We drove off then to a town called Llandello for morning tea. A very nice deli with very friendly staff. After this, straight on to Tenby, a town about 10 miles from Pembroke.
We're in Tenby now, on the southern coast of Wales. We'll be staying here tonight, and then tomorrow move just a few miles to Pembroke, where we catch the ferry to Ireland. Now, there's a whole castle, or castle wall, here, and all the shops are inside the castle wall. Just to prove that Tenby is really on the coast, as we're coming in, there's signs saying to North Beach and South Beach. I don't know which one this is. Very calm sea, copying the wind here though, very cold, probably only about 6 or 7 degrees at the most. When we're driving along, we've got as high as 10 degrees, which is the highest we've had since we landed. Tide naturally comes in, being a beach, and comes up right close to the edge of the wall. Very little space left. Now we're back to part of the shopping centre.
We had a look around, not a big shopping centre, and many of them were closed for the winter. One shop had a notice in the window which said closed from the 25th of October till Easter 2006. We were told that Tenby has a population of about 6,000, but in the summer it swells to 60,000, and the shopkeepers make enough money to close for the winter, with many of them spending the winter in Spain. We found a pub, actually, called the Three Mariners, and the owner also had a B&B, so he took us to it.
We left London, where it's hot. We're heading for our favourite spot, down on the coast.
We dropped our gear, headed back to his pub for some light refreshment, and later had dinner at a pizza parlour, and yet again early to bed.